nervous earlier. Yes, I was also very nervous earlier.
The next day.
Do you know? Now is the announcement of the result of the English speech contest from yesterday. Really? Yes. Let's go check it out. Okay.
I succeeded. Oh, you fine.
Yes, I find too many games.
How come? Don't be sad.
From that moment on, I thought maybe my steps to participate in the speech contest should stop here. I think this is my last time learning speech.
I got information that next week there will be another competition. You have to join. I'm sure you can do it.
What competition, Mir?
English speech contest in the province.
Really, I will definitely be able to win.
Yes, you will definitely be able to win. Keep up the spirit.
Okay, thank you, Mir.
Okay, I'm going home first.
Okay.
Now is the announcement of the winners of yesterday competition.
Ah, really?
Yes,
I won first place, Mir.
really. Congratulations.
Thank you. Today I learned that to move forward, there are indeed many obstacles. Disappointment is a lot for a moment or two, but after that you have to rise again.